We are starting the day off strong. I went to bed early and I got all of my rest because the framer's out today and he's going to start building the closet. The thing is, not only is he building the closet, but I am also watching so that way I can better do a closet system. I did one in the previous house. It was good. It was good. I give it an 80%, but I can definitely get better. So I am watching meticulously as he worked today so I can figure out what I did wrong, in that way I can do one myself. So this is Babe's closet that I'm starting off with. I wanted to start his closet first because it was the smallest, it required less material, and it would kind of give me an idea of what I was looking forward to. This looks so good. All right, so the plan was for me to go to IKEA and do the IKEA system. But then I was just like, by the time I added everything up and got everything, I'm like, this is coming out to be way too much. And so I called my guy. It was just easier to have Home Depot cut the wood, which you buy the plywood and then they cut it by 14. And I think one piece cut 3 pieces. So we were able to, I think we got 3 boards. And so this looks so freaking good. He's gonna build shelving in the back. And what the shelving is gonna do is from this line down, we'll have the detergent and the cleaning stuff for the washer. And then above here, if he wants to store some foldable stuff like his hats, his duffel bag or whatever, he can put it there. And then I also left storage up here that if he wanted to do some stuff, he could do that there. And then this line right here is the mark for the washer and the dryer. So I still have a little bit of wiggle room on this side, maybe about a good 6 inches. But the washer essentially is gonna be flushed with this wall right here. So it's gonna go boom, boom. So that green washer and dryer is going to be right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this room go white. And then on this wall right here, I am going to do shelving so he can have all of his shoes. He was like, you put me in this little closet and you're going to get the other closet. And I'm like, babe, you can come in that closet. I just want you to be work ready because I'm not sure when my closet will be 100% completed. And so I'm probably going to be living out of a box. But now that I have seen this, I feel like I can do this in my closet also. And then I can just have my island in the middle and I can have somewhere to like hang my dresses and stuff. The only thing with mine, I will need a return. He doesn't know this is happening. So when he comes, he's going to be pleasantly surprised to see this. I almost feel like I want to purchase some more wood, but I'm going to stay on track and stay on budget. But eventually, this is coming into my closet. The second thing is I'm going to have the electrician turn this one light into 2. So there'll be one here and then a one here. And it will be a 8-inch recess. That way, the closet will be really, really bright. But this is cute. Can you imagine to have this thing like fully wrapped like this? Like have it wrapped around? So, I don't know. I'm going to try to figure out how I can get this done. So, I do believe that I'm going to do a really large island in the middle. Let me measure it out. Let me see what it's going to look like. And then I'll come back. Over the next 3 days, things are about to get real. So the electrician is out here now and the framer is still in the other area of the house. It looks like a lot, but it's not. This is what I would call a facelift. The reason why you guys are seeing so many holes is because in the previous house, we had an attic and now we have a 3rd level. And so the attic is on the 3rd level. So trying to get the electrical done requires a lot more holes than in the previous house. But this is just a facelift situation. Going back again so that way you guys can see the primary, because this is really the only area of the house that we're working in. The electrical is done, and pretty much tomorrow framing is going to come out again and drywall is coming out. So I've started to find the paint color. I'm also trying to figure out the lighting. because while everyone is here, I want things done. It kind of keeps the cost down and just allows things to flow. So I would definitely get a calendar and just mark everything before you even start renovation, because here we are the next day. It was about 8 o'clock in the morning. The guys came out and they started the drywall. The great thing is the door came with a keypad, so I gave everyone the code. Once renovation is done, we're changing everything. So they were able to come before I came in. I came in about an hour after, but I did mark everything. That way everyone knew what to do the next day, which kind of gave me, again, the hour grace, because I'm still driving almost a long time. Okay, just know I'm driving a long time. And so they're skimming everything. It's looking so good. Once the skim happens, I think you can really gauge that it's just a facelift. Hopefully y'all can see from here to here is the shower. So, and then over there's the tub. I love it. This shower is definitely big enough. The tub is on this side right here. I'm gonna center it to the wall. I think I'm gonna do like 70. So it's gonna be like here to here. And then the spout is gonna come out here. Really excited. It's a huge shower, y'all. It's a really, really huge shower. It's a really huge, it's a huge shower. And that's what I wanted. I wanted to have a nice size shower. It is the end of the workday. They've gotten all the holes in the closet. I've changed out the light in here. That way it is daylight so he can see and get dressed. Tomorrow, they'll be putting another hole. I feel so bad. Oh my gosh. But this is done right here. Dang, they forgot to do corner bead right here. Fireplace. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. I'm not crying, just for the record. I'm just, oh, so excited. Just looks so good. They've patched up all of everything. Look at the wall. It looks gorgeous. So what they're going to end up doing is coming, sanding, and then doing one more skim tomorrow. They said it's going to take 3 days. Look at the shelves. All right, babe just called, but it just looks so good. I just cut the lights on. Oh my God. So as you can see, as we walk around the house, you're going to see soft and also white. So in here is soft where the fragrance is. My closet is white. I have to really figure out what I'm going to do in my closet, how I'm going to get him to build it out. I don't know, y'all, but I don't know. I'm trying, but the door is closed and it looks so good. And then I love this. The fact that the toilet, just like, hey, a little bit goes a long way, yeah. A little bit goes a long way, yeah. A little bit goes a long way, yeah. I'm just, okay, I'm done. I'm done. It just looks so good. And I like the fact that they do clean up when they're leaving. But it's gonna be just like this. The TV's going on the front. I'm getting one of those real flat screen TVs. And then the sconce, one here and one here. It's gonna go right there. It looks so good. Fireplace, of course, is gonna go inside here. You can see just a little bit of the bump out. I just wanted a little bit. But then I also wanted something a little different than what I normally do. I didn't want it to go straight. Don't ask me what I'm thinking about doing, and this may seem kind of crazy, but if I ever wanted to get all like romantic or whatever, I can line some really pretty flowers down here with some candles and create my own little like whatever, whether it's for social media related or just a little date night at home or something like that. And I love the fact that I was able to put this light up here. This looks so good. It's gonna have to get taped down, but this gives so much light, just that little bit right there. Oh, it looks so good. They had to put so many holes in the ceiling. Y'all see that just to do the lights? But I needed the lights in here because this is the room that I plan on doing try-on hauls. All that is coming back. Just cut the light off. It's dark. I'm standing in front of the window and you can just see how dark it is. The house does not get a lot of light, but I'm positive once I paint this room white, and it will be bright white. I have my cabinet sample. I'm just gonna take that cabinet sample and get paint in it. And that, look at the coffered ceilings, y'all. It's the details for me. Trim. Oh, just looks so good. And look at all the trees back here. It's nothing but trees. The last thing that we had to do is get someone to come pressure wash the house and put screens on those windows because they will be opened. And the guy is still working on the pool. The bathroom, as I said before, we're not doing anything to it but putting some paper down. But it's so good to see that all of the holes are patched in the closet. And then he's going to come back on Sunday to start working on my closet. This looks amazingly beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love it. I love it. It looks so good. So this light, you can just see just how bright. Oh, my God, today. Yep, I love it.